You walk into Aldi thinking you're saving money, but right now, you're probably overpaying, grabbing the wrong items, and walking past the best deals in the entire store without even knowing it. The worst part? The employees see you do it every single day, and they say nothing. Today, I'm spilling the secrets they'll never tell you to your face. And secret number 3? It could save you hundreds a year. Secret 1. Let's start with the one hiding in plain sight. Those tiny codes on the price tags. You've stared at them 1,000 times and never noticed. But employees know that when an item's price ends in a specific number, usually a 9, it means full price, freshly stocked. But when that price suddenly shifts and ends in a different digit, that's the store quietly screaming, "This is being discounted to clear out." It's not random. It's a hidden language. And once you learn to read it, you'll never pay full price on certain items again. But here's the thing. Knowing the code is useless if you don't know when to look. Which brings me to the next secret. Secret 2. Timing. Most shoppers stroll in whenever it's convenient, and that's exactly the mistake. Employees know there's a golden window each day when markdowns get slapped on meat, bread, and produce that's about to roll over to the next date. Show up at the wrong time and the shelves are picked clean. Show up during that window and you're filling your cart with premium items for a fraction of the price. Ask an employee when they do markdowns. Most will quietly tell you. But even the perfect timing won't help you with the one section that traps shoppers the most. Secret 3. The big one. The middle aisle. Aldi calls them aisle of shame finds for a reason. Those random gadgets, tools, and seasonal goodies stacked in the center. Here's what employees know that you don't. That stuff is never coming back. There's no restock. No, I'll grab it next week. When it's gone forever. So shoppers do one of 2 things. They panic buy junk they don't need, or they hesitate on the genuinely incredible deal and miss it entirely. The pros? They know the new shipments hit on specific days of the week, and they're there first. Miss that day, and you've lost the deal of the month. But there's something even employees admit catches them off guard. Secret 4. The return policy nobody believes is real. You bought something, took it home, hated it, and you think you're stuck with it. Wrong. Aldi has one of the most generous guarantees in the entire grocery world, and most shoppers are too embarrassed or too unaware to ever use it. Employees watch people quietly eat the cost of a product they didn't like when they could have walked right back in and gotten taken care of. You're leaving money on the table out of pure politeness. And speaking of leaving money behind, the final secret is the one that quietly costs you the most. Secret 5. The quarter. That little deposit you pay for the cart feels like a hassle, right? But it's not the cart that's the secret. It's why it exists. No carts scattered across the lot means fewer staff, lower overhead, and prices that stay shockingly low. Fighting the system by avoiding Aldi over the quarter thing means you're paying more everywhere else. The shoppers who get it? They keep a quarter in the car at all times and treat Aldi like the money-saving machine it actually is. So now you know the 5 secrets employees see ignored every single day. The question is, which one were you guilty of? Drop it in the comments, hit follow for more insider tricks, and next time, walk in like you own the place.